Where does the name for Bagillt come from? So today I'm in Bagillt, or Bagillt. It's a village in Flintshire. Let's get into the name. So despite the very Welsh sounding name, Bagillt, like many places in Flintshire, is actually a Cymricised form of an Old English name, as the Mercians settled the area in the early Middle Ages before it being retaken by Welsh princes. The name appears to be made of two parts, Baca, which is a person's name, and Leach, which is from Old Mercian English, which meant a clearing or a meadow. In the Domesday Book, the name is recorded as Bacali. The end T developed in the 1300s because of the resemblance to the Welsh word allt, which meant a slope. Bagillt was part of the Kingdom of Gwynedd in the early medieval period. In the 12th century, Owain Gwynedd retreated to Bryn de Chwelwch, the hill of retreat above Bagillt, whilst being pursued by Henry II's forces. The nearby Castell Hen Blas, a motte and bailey castle just above Bagillt, was the birthplace of Dafydd ap Llywelyn, the Prince of Wales, around Easter in 1212. The castle ruins were partially excavated in the mid-1950s, and there's a plaque commemorating Dafydd's birth at the Upper Ship Inn. By the late 18th century, Bagillt had become industrialised and a centre of coal extraction, as well as zinc, lead and iron purification. Interestingly, it's not the only place in the world named Bagillt. There's a lake in Argentina called the Lago Bagillt, which was so named because many of the settlers in the Welsh colony of Patagonia came from Bagillt. As a place name in Flintshire, with its unusual mix of Old English and Welsh, I must thank Hywel Wyn Owen for his research on this in his book, Place Names of Flintshire. I'll put a link in the description, so if you're interested in the fascinating toponymy of the area, you'll know where to find a copy. So the name literally means Baca's meadow, Baca's water meadow. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.